Alright guys, I'm back in this apartment again. As you know, the light switch, the dimmer, excuse me, wasn't working, so I'm back. And they told me to put in a regular single pole. That's what I'm going to do. Hopefully these will go on at full power and not be half dimmed and do that little spark of brightness thing when they start up. So all the power in the apartment is off, and I can do that because one, the breakers aren't labeled, and two, nobody's living here yet. Let's get cracking, guys. Alright, well I got it pulled out, and interestingly enough, they had this little teeny weeny blue wire nut on this guy right here. Stupid. Stupid. So, take that off. I don't like how they... fucking motherfucker. Alright. Pardon the cursing. I know YouTube doesn't like that. We'll have a bigger wire nut here. Yeah, I might get away with an orange cap. I mean, if I have a red in here, I'm sure I have a red in here somewhere. Where's my black electrical tape, not my green? Let me get back to you guys. Okay guys, everything's put back together. Switch is in. Moment of truth. Ah, mission successful. Full brightness, full power, the way it's supposed to be. Definitely didn't need that dimmer switch. This one, what's this one for? Oh, it's for that. Does that even dim? Oh wow, you can actually dim that guy. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the little cursing. Mike out.